Hello and welcome to yet another opportunity. So, guys, today I'm taking you to China as we look at the fully funded scholarship, which is the Chinese government scholarship in China. If today is your first time or you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss future scholarship opportunities. And do not forget to like this video and drop a comment. This scholarship basically covers everything like your registration fee, accommodation, basic health insurance, as well as monthly stipends, and it is for graduate students and undergraduate students. China is beautiful, one of the top world economic power, and provide high quality education. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here's a quick outline to what you expect from this video. First of all, I'm going to talk about important points you should take note of when we talk about the Chinese government scholarship. Then we'll look at the benefits and the categories of this scholarship, as well as the eligibility, and then we'll look at the required documents, and most importantly, how to start your application and how to apply to this scholarship. So do not skip this video, share to your friends and family, and do not forget to like and subscribe. This scholarship opens 1st of November. Admission deadline for different university varies, but typically between January to April. But always check the university website. In most universities, you have to apply for admission separately and apply for the scholarship separately. So we'll get to know more about this in the video. The scholarship is open to every international student, and also the scholarship is for undergraduate, masters, and PhD studies. Okay, so right now let's take a look at the benefits as well as the different categories of this scholarship. So I'm on my website opnessnigeria.com. Basically you can check this website every day because we post scholarship updates from different scholarships all over the world, which do not necessarily come to YouTube. So but if you check every day, you're going to get different opportunities. So let's go down to the funding for this scholarship. So there are different categories, category A, B, and C. So the different categories have different funding. But for the first category, category A, it includes the following benefits. So you can see right here the registration fee, also dormitory coverage, that is for your accommodation, and covers your basic health insurance, as well as a monthly basic stipend to cover your personal needs. So the difference between this type A and B is that the type B covers every other thing apart from the monthly stipend. The monthly stipend is not part of the type B. The type C has the least benefit and does not cover everything. Advantage of having the type A is you get everything fully covered, but then it is more competitive than the type B and C. So now let's take a look at the eligibility of this scholarship. For you to be eligible for this scholarship, you must be an international student. You must be below the age of 25 to be eligible for undergraduate programs, and you must be below the age of 35 to be eligible for master's programs. And to be eligible for master's program, also you must have a bachelor's degree, and you must be below the ages of 40 to be eligible for doctoral programs. Okay, so there are other eligibility you can check through. Now let's take a look at the list of required documents for this scholarship. The link to this page is on the description, so you can check it out, because I'm not going to take a look at all the required documents but just the major ones. So definitely you will need your document to be submitted in English or Chinese, and then you have to submit, most importantly, your travel document like your passport, which must be a valid passport. If the candidate's passport is not valid, they must apply for a new passport before applying. If the candidates are unable to apply for a new passport before the submission of the application because of some rational grounds, they will have to send copies of identification credentials or legal documents comprising of the candidate's name, sex, ethnicity, and birth date, as well as other relevant data with the authorization of a forwarding official. Attestation of the document is necessary. This means that you have to take your documents to a court and get it stamped that they are original true copies. So it's quite simple. You just have to take it to the court and get it certified. So you also have to submit your transcript, academic transcript, and it should be in English or in Chinese. All candidates must submit a study plan or research proposal. Minimum word limit for undergraduate is 200. For masters is 500, and for PhD is 800 words. So you have to provide 2 recommendation letters, especially for graduate students. This should be from your instructors or assistant professors or professors from your institution. When applying to the Chinese government scholarship, you don't necessarily need to contact a supervisor in China, but if you do, it increases your chances of getting this scholarship. So if you already have a supervisor who is willing to supervise you, you contact them through their email, and then they accept to supervise you. You can add that document they send to you to your application, and that will definitely increase your chance. But other persons do get this scholarship without contacting a supervisor. But this is especially for the graduate programs. Another document that you need to submit is the foreign fiscal examination form. It is a head form which you have to fill. You have to take it to a hospital and then do some examination and then fill the form. The form has to be filled by a medical doctor or a medical professional. So that is part of the form. You can get the form when you want. The form can be gotten in the application portal, so you can download the form and then take it to the hospital, and it will be filled by a professional. So the TOEFL and the IELTS are not really necessary for the Chinese government scholarship, but you can prove your English with a letter of English proficiency from your institution. Okay, so now how do you apply to this scholarship? Now I'm going to take you through the steps. The first thing you need to do before you come to step 1 here is to know the course you are applying for and the university you are applying to. Okay, so you have to look for that, and I'm going to teach you how to get a course, how to search for a course, and also how to search for a university very soon. Okay, so once you've gotten the course and the university always have what we call the agency number. So you want to take note of that number because you are going to need it when you are applying on the Csc website. Okay, so when you have gotten your agency number, the first step is that you want to fill out the Chinese government scholarship application form online, which is at the CAGS or Csc portal. So in doing that, you're going to fill in your biodata, and then you are going to select the type of scholarship, the category, that is A, B, or C. I've already explained that. Then you want to put in the agency or university code. So after doing that, you're going to fill the application form. So you are allowed to apply to up to 3 universities. So step 4, you want to upload all the necessary documents as required in the portal, and then you also want to download some of the documents there, like the head form, and also fill and upload back. What this step 5 is saying is that you also need to determine if your preferred university needs you to submit a separate application for admission. So this means that some of the universities will not require you to submit a separate application. If the university requires you to submit a separate application for admission, make sure you also add your application for the Chinese government scholarship. So what you need to do is, after applying for the Chinese government scholarship, you download the application form that you have filled. So you also submit it to the university. So at the beginning or the middle of July, you're going to get the result of the Chinese government scholarship and know if you have been selected. So if you have been selected, then you have to apply for your visa and other necessary finalization. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you how to search for university and courses. So if you come down to this post on upnextnigeria.com, you see submit application as well as official website. First of all, let's look at the official website where we are going to search for the courses. So I've clicked on that now. So it takes us to the official website. You want to read through the Csc website and get more information, but I'm just going to come down here, and then at this point, university and programs, I want to search for the course. So you click on degree if you're applying for a master's or doctoral or bachelor. So I want to click on masters. Then the language of instruction, that is if you want to study in English or Chinese. So I want to study in English, so then I click on search. So this is going to bring out some universities, so you can see right here. I want to go through the university. So if I have a particular university in mind, then I can search through. Say there are a lot of universities, so let's click on one of them. For example, this Beijing Institute of Technology. So you click on it, then it's going to show you different courses. So you can click on view more to see more about the university. You can also see the university website up here. So you can go to the university website to look for the agency number. So for now, okay, these are bachelor's programs. So I'm going to click on the masters. Then you see the different courses, the language of instruction, the duration of study, 2 years, and also the tuition fee. But if you're on scholarship, you don't need to pay tuition fee. So for example, this organic chemistry is taught in English. This will help you to know the different courses that are offered in this particular university. So we have microbiology, you have biochemistry and molecular biology. Okay, so that is how to look for a program. So you can go to the official website and then see how you can submit your application for admission. So I'm going to go back now and let's take a look at the Csc Application Portal. So back to the official website for upnextnigeria.com, and I'm going to click on submit application. This will take me to the Csc website where I can create an account. So right here, this is you can create an account for the scholarship application, fill in the form and submit. And then when you've done that, you can sign in with your credentials, and then it takes you to the portal. Then you can begin to fill in the forms and download the ones you need to download and submit your application. So that is it, guys. This is basically what you need to do to get started and complete your application for the Chinese government scholarship. And I hope this video was helpful. I want to see you if you're going to apply to this scholarship. Kindly let me know in the comments section, and if you have any question, you can also drop them in the comments section. So if you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get future opportunities. And also click like on this video and share to your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.